Hello guys, may buntag. Ako din si Leo JC Tagupa.
Ako din si Juban Arasan. O si Redmark Skin Silades. Justin D. Gracia. De La Lawrence Pistal.
Ug na din mi sa Dawis Church, the Lady of Assumption. Nami diri sa Nuestra Señora de la Asunción Church diri sa Dawis. Dito mi ari para makaibaw mi about sa istorya ni nga simbahan. O tiwasin nga video para daghan pa mo makatunan ani.
Dawis Church, also known as the Church of Our Lady of the Assumption Church, was built in 1697 by the first Spanish missionaries. It was founded by Father Chaco de Ayala and Father Joseph Gregorio of the Jesuit order. After 1753, the Jesuits moved their main residence from Lubbock, and Father Joseph de Pomoceno built a convent in the church complex, which became the official residence. The Jesuits were expelled from the Philippines in 1768, and all their missions were turned over to the Augustinian Recollets. Since then, the Dawis Church has been renovated several times, and in 1863, Father Julio Saldana began the construction of the present Dawis Church. It was later finished by Father Natalio del Mar in 1923. Tourists will witness the 18th century interior of the church and murals painted on the ceiling by Ray Francia in 19...
I was sick and tired of everything when I called you last night from Glasgow. All I do is eat and sleep and sing, wishing every show was the last show. So imagine I was catching it coming. Suddenly I feel alright.
Og daghang salamat. Thank you for watching.